Hey there, welcome to today's video where we tackle a common problem that many beginner C programmers face when learning the Win32 API. The wizard buttons in their application aren't changing, and clicking Next on the last page of the wizard does nothing. This can be frustrating, especially when you're following the examples from the MSDN website and things still aren't working as expected. So let's dive into the nitty-gritty of what might be going wrong here. In the solution provided, the key insight lies in the usage of the handle to the property sheet, referenced as hDlg. Remember, hDlg is the handle to the property sheet, not the wizard itself. To access the handle to the wizard, you need to call getParent hwend. By making this distinction and ensuring that the correct handles are used in each context, you can manipulate the wizard buttons and functionalities as intended. This adjustment should help resolve the issues with the wizard buttons not changing and the Next button not functioning on the final page. Now, with the solution in mind, remember that handling handles correctly is crucial in Win32 API programming. Ensuring that you have the right handle for the task at hand can make a significant difference in the behavior of your application. By following the provided guidance and making the necessary adjustments to your code, you should be able to get your wizard up and running smoothly, with all the buttons functioning as expected. Keep practicing and exploring the Win32 API, and you'll master it in no time. In summary, we've delved into a common problem faced by novice Win32 API programmers regarding wizard button functionality. By understanding the importance of handling handles correctly and making the necessary adjustments as outlined in the solution, you can overcome these issues and create a fully functional wizard in your application. I hope this video has been helpful to you in navigating the intricacies of Win32 API programming. Remember to subscribe for more tech tips, hit the like button if you found this video useful, and don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. Until next time, happy coding!